Harvey AI Review. So Harvey AI is a specialized legal intelligence platform using GPT-4 and other large language models designed to assist law firms and in-house legal teams with tasks like research, drafting, and document analysis. So what is it offers is its strengths and effectiveness. So they have a top-tier task accuracy. In a benchmark study, Harvey match a beat lawyer level base time and then in tasks like doc, question and answers for approximately 94% and chronologically generation and outperform other AI tools in multiple categories. They also have an enterprise adoption, which is used by many major firms like Allen and Overy. They are also well funded and rapidly evolving, although it may comes with some drawbacks and limitations. So they have uneven adoption, memory errors and hallucinations, and it has a cost and infrastructure needed. So the pricing is not disclosed publicly, but is approximately estimated around $1,000. So in conclusion, Harvey AI is one of the most strongest legal AI platforms available today.